So next we're going to look at interspecies interactions or relationships. So symbiosis is when two species live closely together and they have a distinct relationship. We're going to look at 5 of these. The first one is competition. So this is two or more species, they want the same resource. So they're competing for a limited resource here. In predation, one organism is going to capture and feed on the other. So we have our predator and prey. The predator-prey relationships are closely related. So for example, if a prey population decreases, the predator population is also going to decrease. You can see this relationship in the graph below. Mutualism is when both species benefit from the relationship. This is a positive interaction. So examples include flowers and insects. So the insect gets food from the flower and the flower gets pollinated by the insect. And then we've got ants and aphids. So the aphids produce a sugary food that the ants eat, and the ants in exchange are going to protect them. Commensalism is when one benefits and the other is not helped or harmed. So some examples include barnacles and whales, clownfish and sea anemones. Parasitism is when one organism is going to live on or harms the other for nutrients. So this is a positive negative interaction. Keep in mind that the parasite, it's not going to want to kill its host, but it is going to weaken the host. They need the host to survive. So examples include ticks on mammals and cowbirds and songbirds. So cowbirds are going to lay their eggs in the nest of another bird, and then that other bird is going to raise the cowbird's offspring. So if we take a look at this picture here, in this nest, we have this very large gray bird. That is the cowbird offspring. You'll notice that its mouth is very large and open, so the host parents are going to tend to feed that offspring while ignoring their own offspring that are over here in the nest.